Hi, I'm Cassie Rodehaver, and this is a video about my process for installing an AppExchange app for my recent volunteer project. A quick disclaimer, everything in this video is in a sandbox with all fake data. No real personal information is being shared. First of all, if you haven't seen my other video about how I decided to select this app from the AppExchange, please go check it out. Okay, let's get to it. Step 1. I had to install and configure the sandbox app to generate a custom PDF featuring data from a custom object. So, first of all, we went and installed sandbox into my sandbox from the AppExchange. You can see that it's now visible down here in my installed packages within our setup. Step 2. I created a template in the sandbox app. This required me to dig into their documentation so that I could work with additional merge fields and add that in addition to the data from the custom achievement object. So here's the record for that template, and then here is the actual template that I created using those merge fields. Step 3. While sandbox automatically creates several buttons for standard objects, including accounts, I decided to enhance the user experience by creating a custom one-click button to generate exactly what the user needed instead of making them go through the sandbox PDF wizard process using their standard button. This significantly cuts down on the time needed to complete this task, which is important to the startup client. So down here you can see that I had to go and craft this progress report button, which then had the documentation of how to send the user to the correct Apex call. I also added the button to the page layout so that it's visible to the users looking at the person account page. So just as an FYI, sandbox usually recommends adding the button as their step 2 in their setup documentation, but since I was customizing it to be a one-click button calling out to a specific template, I had to swap their steps 2 and 3. Step 4, this is where we test to ensure that everything I set up is working properly by generating a PDF. Again, just a reminder that this is all fake information, not real data. Okay, so we're on this account record. We're going to go ahead and click the progress report, and it will take a second to generate that PDF. Okay, here it is. So let's go ahead and view it real fast. And there's my beautiful PDF with all of this custom data, merge fields. It's all in there. So you could also go ahead and email those selected documents out. So that's it. That's the quick overview of how I installed and customized an app to meet a specific client requirement in this project. Let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.